So now let's see how we can import out images inside of Corel Draw. If I were to go around onto File and then click on Open right here, and then if I were to go around and navigate and bring in an image right here, then what it shows up is an error. It says the file .girl.jpg cannot be opened, and try using the import command instead. So what you need to do is you actually need to go around onto File right here and then go to Import instead. So once you go around over here, you can go around and choose a photo that you want and click on Insert. And then you can click and drag around anywhere as you like. And then you got the image right here, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see, and you get different options for the image that you imported as well. And as with any other object, you can go ahead and resize right here, just like this, and place it wherever you want. You can go around onto free and pick, and just like this, you can see that this is what you have right here. You can go ahead and crop it out right here, just like this as well. And then similarly, you have the image right here. Let me just go around onto File, and then I'm going to go around onto Import right here. And you can also select out another image as you like and press anywhere that you like without clicking and dragging, and you get the default image size right there, just like that. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with importing of images inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.